Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of area of composite figures. This is standard 7.9C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 18 of the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a rectangular stove top with 4 circular burners, and we've got the side lengths here, so it's 24 by 22, almost a square but not quite. So we need to find the best estimate of the area of the stove top that does not include this burner. So it's the shaded region, and we just need to figure out the area of the rectangle. And take a look at these circles. They're all the same. They're all have a 6-inch diameter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 4 of the area of a circle. Because once I find 1, I'm just going to multiply that by 4. And that should be my shaded region. So let's start with the area of a rectangle. That's going to be pretty straightforward. Base times height. So my base is 24. Right, if that's 24, that's 24. My height is 22. So let's just multiply those real quick. That's going to be 48. 48. So that is going to be 528. So area of a rectangle equals 528 square inches. That's simple. The circle is going to be a little bit more complicated because the area of a circle equals pi r squared. So they don't give us the radius. The radius is from the middle to the side. What they gave us is the diameter. The diameter is 6 inches. That's from one side to the other through the center. But we know that the radius is double, or is the diameter is double the radius, so the radius is half of your diameter. So if that is 6, then that means our radius is going to be 3 inches. All right, so we're going to plug this in here, and we're going to know that our pi is approximately 3.14. It's actually a ratio of your circumference over your diameter. But every circle's got that same ratio. Circumference over diameter is about 3.14. So really this is 3.14 times 3, because remember that's a radius, squared. And 3 squared is not 3 times 2. 3 squared is 3 times itself, so that's 9. So let's do 3.14 times 9. So that's 36. 9 times 1 is 9. Add the 3 is 12. 9 times 3 is 27. Add the 1, 28. 2 digits upon the decimal there. 2 digits upon the decimal there. 28.26. And that is going to be inches squared. Now, we're going to estimate it. Remember, there's 4 of them. But you know what? I'm going to just estimate that down to about 28.25 because I want to multiply that by 4. Watch, I just took 1/100th off, but multiplying by 4, it's going to give that. It's going to put that up at the 0, 0. That's going to be really nice. So that's 3233, and that is going to be 811. Because I knew that if I did 25 times 4, that's going to give me 100, or in this case, 1.00. So really, is that 28, right? I needed to do the 28 times 4. That's going to be 112, and then bring in that extra 1 plus 1 is 113. So I need to take my 528, right? That was my rectangle. Take away my 113. A lot of multiplication and subtraction here, but we're finally getting our answer. That's going to be about 415 square inches. We don't have one that's exact, but we are estimating. So the closest thing is going to be right there, H.